In this video, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click first link from Microsoft, scroll down and press this download button. Next, search for Office Customization Tool. The very first link will be from Microsoft. We have to select our system configurations, keep it 64-bit, scroll down, and in the Office suites, select Office LTS Professional plus 2021 volume license. Scroll down, deselect everything except Excel, and press the next button. Select your preferred language, press the next button, scroll down, press the next button, scroll down, and here we have to turn off, uninstall any MSI version of Office, then scroll down, press the next button, scroll down, press the next button, again press the next button, and scroll to the bottom. You will see the Finish button, click on it, press on this Export button, select the Office Open XML formats, press OK, accept the license, click on Export. Next, we need to go to the location where files are downloaded. Now here we have to create a new folder. Now give a name to this folder as Office. Then put downloaded files into this folder. Go into New Folder and right-click on this Office Deployment Tool and select Run as Administrator. Accept the license, press the Continue button. Now we have to select a folder where we want these files to be extracted. Inside Downloads, we created a folder Office. Select it and press the OK button, press OK. And this will extract all our files inside Office folder. Now we have to put Office folder to our C drive. Then we must execute some commands in our terminal. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD. Click on this command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Write this command or copy it from video description, then write one more command. I left it in video description as well. This will start downloading Excel. Now we have successfully installed Excel. You can close all these windows, press the Windows key on your keyboard, and search for XLC. We have installed Excel. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel.